The Juniper AP63 Mist access points are specifically crafted for outdoor usage, providing robust Wi Fi 6 connectivity even in challenging environments. These access points offer high speed and dependable Wi Fi experiences while incorporating Mist AI technology for enhanced performance and analytics. The AP63 series seamlessly connects to the Juniper Mist cloud infrastructure, allowing for easy configuration, downloads, and network integration. With multiple radios and antennas, the AP63 ensures superior coverage and capacity, making it ideal for densely populated areas like stadiums, campuses, and large corporate facilities.